If you are turning 65 and have health insurance through your spouse's employer, is it possible to postpone enrolling in Medicare? You may be able to postpone enrolling in Medicare without incurring fines if you are 65 and are covered by health insurance through your spouse's employer. Nonetheless, there are a few important things to be aware of. Important points. Medicare Part A, also known as hospital insurance. If you and your spouse paid Medicare taxes while you were employed, it's free. A significant number of people are eligible for Part A, which is premium-free. If your spouse's employer employs 20 or more people, you can postpone enrolling in Part A without incurring penalties if you have workplace coverage. In this situation, you can postpone Part A until you retire or lose your employer's coverage, which is regarded as creditable coverage. Medicare Part B, which covers medical insurance. The majority of people use Part B, which has a monthly premium, in order to pay for outpatient care and doctor appointments. You are exempt from the late enrollment penalty if you have creditable employment coverage, which is usually the case if your spouse's employer employs 20 or more people. To avoid penalties, you must enroll in Part B within 8 months of your spouse's employer's insurance expiring or after it ends. You might not need to sign up for Part D right away if your spouse's workplace provides prescription drug coverage. As with Part B, if your current prescription plan is reputable, that is, on par with Medicare's prescription medication coverage, you can postpone enrolling in Part D without incurring penalties. But in order to avoid penalties, you have to enroll in Part B within 8 months of your spouse's job insurance terminating or when it ends. Verify creditable coverage. Verify whether your spouse's insurance is regarded as creditable coverage by contacting their workplace. This is significant for Parts B and D. Be sure to enroll in Medicare at the appropriate time. If you do not qualify for a special enrollment period, such as through your spouse's employer insurance, you may be subject to late enrollment penalties for Part B and Part D if you do not enroll when you first become eligible at age 65. As long as you are enrolled in your spouse's employer-sponsored health plan, you are eligible for a special enrollment period for both Part B and Part D. If you apply for Medicare under the special enrollment period within 8 months of losing your employer-sponsored insurance, you can do so without being penalized. There may be penalties if you wait to enroll and miss your window. Once those penalties start, they are irreversible. In conclusion, if you have employer coverage through your spouse, you can postpone enrolling in Medicare without incurring penalties. However, it is crucial to make sure the coverage is acceptable and to enroll in Medicare at the appropriate time to prevent stiff penalties later on. Hit the like button if this was helpful and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.